customer, the ultimate objective of every company is to satisfy the customer or to satisfy their demands. So let us begin with the marketing mix. So what is marketing mix? Marketing mix basically is a combination, or you can say blend, of strategies that we apply to satisfy the demand of our target customer. There are so many customers, but every customer is not meant for company. There are some particular customer who will buy our product or for whom that product is meant for. So you can simply say that marketing mix means different strategies or different tools available for the customer. This is the diagram which is depicting that how many strategies or how many tools earlier we were having. There were basically 4 P's of marketing mix. One was place, promotion, price and product. So product is the foremost tool in the hand of company. No doubt rest are also very important, but the product is far important tool in the hand of management. So these are the basically 4 tools. So let us begin one by one about them. First of all, we will discuss about the product. You know that product means something tangible or intangible thing that a company offer to the customer to buy. So what sort of tools, what sort of strategies are available with the company, that in that category these are some of the list. Like you can design. On design part, the company can change its design distinct from the competitor, better than the competitor. It can change the style. Brand is again very important thing. It is one of the important strategy that company is having. Then packaging, like you can take the example of Coke company. It is offering its product Coca-Cola or Coke to the customer sometime in that glass cane, and that is the cane made by, that is aluminium cane, plastic metal. So different forms, different packaging style. Product is same, but the packaging is different. Similarly, the different label we can use to offer that product in the market. Type of service, it can be, we can have better service offering to the customer. Then warranties is also very important. I mean, if the customer is demanding the warranty, competitor may be giving warranty for 6 months, so you can offer for 1 year or 2 months as a strategy to the customer. Then the next is promotion mix. Promotion means that how we are going to promote our product in the market. There are different tools available with the marketer. That is, first is advertising. Advertisement is very, very important part, with the help of which we can convey what we are having, for what our product is meant for. So the attractive advertisement really does matter. Then personal selling. Some customer, they are happy with the way you are dealing with them. So how you promote your product, like sale promotion, sometime we can offer discount, something like that. Means how you are promoting, like 1-to-1 offer, buy one get one free. So publicity, how you publicly, like today you know that social media is very, very important. So we can also use social media to capture more and more customer in the market. So public relation, what sort of relation you are having in the market, how you display your product in the market. This is some of the things with the help we can offer in a better way our product to the customer. Then the third one is price strategy. Price strategy is particularly concerned with the cost and the profit. So it's very important, means how we are going to decide our pricing of our product. Means sometime company offer one price in one market, another price in the another market, depending upon the type of customer. A company can offer its product at a higher price in metro city and lower price in the rural areas, because the type of customer varied from place to place. Means the rural customer may not be having that capacity to buy that product at a very high price. So this is the way that we can. Then I told you the discount, Diwali discount, Christmas discount we can offer. Allowances. Allowances means sometimes we can give trade discount to the customer, like 50% discount offer can be there. Payment period, maybe your competitor are giving payment period maybe 15 days, you can offer 30 days. So in that way you can attract your customer. Credit items means how much credit you can give, how many credit items you are available. Then there are the handling charges. You can reduce the handling charges so that you can attract your customer. And last one is place mix. The place strategy, no doubt, is also very important. It tells how we are going to reach our customer. Means how the product will ultimately reach to the target customer. In that way we can use retail channel, wholesale channel. Nowadays, like COVID is there, companies are using online channel. Let us take for the example, now the companies are reaching at the doorstep of the customer. How? Like say for example of Swiggy, Zomato, they are directly moving at the doorstep. You just install their apps and you will find so many discount offers are there, cashback facilities are there by that companies. So in that way we are going to attract. Earlier in traditional way we have to reach to the manufacturer to buy some product. Now you are sitting in your home having a mobile phone in your palm, you can order your product, it will reach within couple of minutes and you can enjoy that product. So these are the basic 4 strategies, my dear friends, available as far as marketing mix is concerned. As the time is passing, there is development in the thinking of the marketing expert and marketing itself. These are the 4 P's. Like product, it is directly connected with on one side you can see the 4 P's, on the other side we are depicting the 4 C's. Product is directly connected to the customer, price is directly connected with the cost, and place is connected with the convenience, and promotion is communication. There are more P's have been added with the passage of time, like people mix is there, physical environment is there, process mix is there. So these we can category, like earlier we did in case of 4P, there are the 7 P's. Thank you very much for that's all for the today topic.